This is the Buddha and the other arhats and the followers of the Buddha. And these statues have been, these statues have been built, and you can see the beauty of these structures. You can see when we look at the face of these serene monks, and our minds usually get the relaxation we need. And this arhat has a very special color, you see, the blue color, and it is familiar with that arhat and the one who attained enlightenment, not the enlightenment but arhathood, state of spiritual advancement. So you can see so many statues here. Monks means these have been built with concretes and other things. I'm pretty impressed with the work done by the people. Oh no, there are many Buddha and his followers. Thank you for watching.